So today we're just going to go over the difference between inter and intramolecular force, and I'm going to do that with one molecule. So let's start with carbon disulfide. So here's my Lewis dot structure. Okay, the intramolecular force is this bond in between sulfur and carbon, right? It's keeping these two atoms together. That's your inter. But now if I was to look at all of these put together, I'd notice that at any one time these things are surrounded by dozens, hundreds of themselves. Oh, God, there's 8 of them already? Okay, so that's plenty. Now, let's say that there's nothing holding them together. Okay, if there's nothing holding them together, then they're going to act just like a gas, right? This molecule will be able to fly off, and maybe it'll have some collisions with them, but nothing is keeping it from having a definite volume, having a definite shape. But once something becomes a liquid or a solid, something has to attract one molecule to another. And as they do that, now we start to get intermolecular forces. And as they do that, now they're going to look like they have some kind of structure. And if I was to zoom out, I'd notice that I have a ton of these things put together. Let me see if I can make one more, and then that's plenty. Okay. So if I zoom out on liquids and solids, in between each molecule, the force that holds them together, that is going to be called intermolecular. But if I wanted to look at one molecule by itself, and select it, and blow it up, in between one atom and another, that's intramolecular. So the big difference is one, in between atoms, that's intra. One is in between molecules, and that is inter.